Good morning, students. Welcome. Welcome to this financial accounting video lecture. Now we are solving problem number 25 of preparation of journal entries from the transactions. As usually, in this 25th problem, there are opening assets and liabilities. We record those opening assets and liabilities as opening entry. So first amount is the debit balances, cash in hand. Amount is 16,000. Cash at bank 51,200. Stock 40,000. Furniture 8,000. Buildings 20,000. Debtors were given. Debtors are assets. Vijay 5,400. Anil 3,000. Ashwini 4,000. Anupam 3,600. Madhu 200. Okay. Anand is creditor, liability 10,800. Arya and Co 15,400. Balwant Rai 10,400. Mrs. Loan Anand 200. Anand 200. Arya and Co 15,400. Balwant Rai 10,400. Mrs. Loan 20,000. And the balance amount will be treated as a capital. You please find the balance amount. There is some mismatch in assets. Cash 16,000, bank 51,400, furniture 40,000. Stock is there. After bank, stock 40,000, furniture 8,000, building 20,000, Vijay 54, Anil 3,000, Ashwini 4,000, Anupam 3,600, Madhu 200. And you please find the balance amount. Balance amount is capital. Balance amount how to find is total all these assets minus these liabilities. Okay. Balance figure will be capital. You please find in your solution on your notebook. Okay. Right. Come to the 1st April. Purchased goods worth rupees 10,000. So purchases account data. Purchase account data. And there will be some discount also there. The discount is a benefit to us. Goods value is how much? 20% minus means 8,000. to cash. In that 8,000, there is a 5% discount. Discount amount is 5 into 8,000 is 400, then 7,600. Discount amount is 400. Then we have to write to discount. 400. Okay, we have to write goods purchased. Next, 5,5292 received from Vijay and allowed him discount of 108. So we received cash account data. Amount is 5292. Discount 108. Discount account data. This is discount allowed, okay? Discount account data to Vijay account. Vijay is giver. 5298, I think. 92. So 300, 5,400. $5,400 cash received from Vijay. After discount also you can write. Bought 100 shares in Bharat Limited at 30 per share. Brokerage paid 60. Okay, we will make it as a compound entry. So this trader invested in shares. We call it as either shares or investments. We can write shares account data, and he paid brokerage. Brokerage is expense. Account data. To cash account. We can also purchase shares. So 100 shares at the rate of 30, 3,000. Brokerage amount 60 rupees, and trader paid 3060. Okay, investment made in shares. Investment made in shares. Okay, goods worth rupees 1,000 were damaged in transit, and a claim was made on railway authorities for the same. Insurance claim account data. Insurance claim account data. I can write either goods in transit or closing stock also. To closing stock account. Amount is 1,000. Goods damaged, claim due. Claim for right. cash 5814, 10,000 paid to Anand, discount 216. Very straightforward entry, okay? We are paying amount to Anand. Anand account data. What we are paying cash we are paying. So for that how much we are getting benefited? 216 is discount received. Right. So how much cash we are paying? 10,584. How much discount we are getting? 216. 800. So out of 10,800, we paid 10,584 cash and we are getting benefit of 216 amount paid to Anand. 13th date, received cash from railway in settlement of claim for damage. So cash account data to insurance claim account. 1,000. Earlier above claim we received. Insurance claim received. Okay, next 15th date. Anupam is declared insolvent and dividend of 50 paise in the rupee is received from him in full settlement. Anupam is debtor who has to give money to us. So out of 3,600, we can receive only 50%. 50 paise 1 rupee means 50%. So total due from Anupam is 3,600. We can receive 50% amount, that is 1,800. Cash account data, discount account data, or we can write bad debts. Bad debts account data to Anupam account. So total Anupam has to give to us is 3,600. In that he able to pay only 50%, 1,800. Remaining 1,800 is bad debts or we cannot recover. Loss also, that is totally lost to us. Anupam account settled. Right. Next date is 18th. Sold 40 shares in Bharat Limited at the rate of rupees 36 per share. Brokerage paid 30 rupees. Cash account data. Profit and loss account data. To shares account. Cash account data. Profit and loss account data to shares account. How much? Profit. Profit and loss account to be credited. Okay. To profit. Because we got profit. How can I say profit? Means the value of share is 30 rupees only. It was sold for 36 rupees. Right. How many shares sold? 40 shares. What is the value of share? 30 rupees is equal to 1200. Is equal to 1200. How many shares we sold? 40 shares. Profit is how much? 6 rupees. So 240 is the 1200. 240. Then the cash we received by sale of 40 shares is 1440. Okay, this is happened to each and every trader. They will buy shares and sell shares in the market. You can observe the share market. Party shares sold at the rate of 36 each. Now we have to pay for brokerage. Okay, brokerage will be collected by the broking agencies like Sharekhan, Harvey, for sale and purchase of shares of a client. Suppose you are a client to Harvey Consultancy. When you purchased shares, they will collect the 1% or 2%, 3% amount on the value. And when you sell the shares also, they will collect the commission. They are service providers to the clients for maintaining for facilitating the clients to participate in a share market. Brokerage paid on sale of shares. Even 60 rupees also we paid for purchase of shares. Next, paid charity 202, postage 400, stationery 390. All three we record at a time. This is called compound. Charity. Another one is postage. Account data. Another one is stationery. To cash account. All expenses have to be debit according to the nominal account. 202. $400, 398. 398 plus 202 is 600. 1000 amount is 1. Right. Expenses paid in cash. Okay, right. Next, 1 month interest on Mrs. loan at the rate of 12% became due and could not be paid. Okay, we will pay. We will write. So this interest on loan is loss to us, or sorry, expense to us. Interest account data to outstanding interest account. Or we can write Mrs. loan account. Loan account. Okay, Mrs. loan is 20,000. 20,000 into 12% is 2,400. 2,400 divided by 12 is equal to 200. 1 month interest. 200. Interest on loan due for 1 month. For 1 month. Okay. Next, receiving from traveling salesman 6,000 for goods sold by him. After deducting his traveling expenses 3,300. We can make received from traveling salesman 6,000 for goods sold by him. Directly we can write cash account data to sales account. Amount is 6,000. Goods sold by salesman. Right. Next to selling expenses. Separately we record for that. Traveling expenses. Traveling expenses account data to cash account. Account data to cash. 1 minute. Receiving from traveling salesman 6,000 for goods sold by him after deducting his traveling expenses. Sales amount is 6,300. Traveling salesman sold goods for 6,300. He gave only 6,000 to us. Okay. So from that we are paying or he is deducted 300 rupees as a traveling expenses. Traveling expenses paid. Right. Next, paid salaries. Same 30th date. Salaries, rent. Salaries accounted. Rent accounted. To cash account. Salary is 7,000. Rent amount is 3,000. Total 10,000. Okay, all are expenses. Expenses paid. Sold goods worth rupees 20,000 after discount. Cash account data. After trade discount should not be disclosed in books. Okay. 18,000 to sales account. Goods are going out na real account. This is 18,000. Goods sold for cash. Okay. Right. That's all. So all these entries are depends upon the types of accounts. types of account as well as the rules of accounts. Types of accounts as well as rules of accounts. I will try to provide types and rules while this video is playing. Okay, now I will try my level. Okay, try to understand how I am passing journal entries. Next video onwards. Okay, this is problem number 25. And you be ready with the 26th answer. Check with my answer. Check with my answer. Okay. And 26 and 27, you check with my answer. 28 onwards, journal entries as well as ledger accounts. Ledger is a consolidated statement of a particular item. Either salary or whatever it may be. Okay, students. Bye.